Welcome to Best RV Center. Niall Amari from Best RV in Trolla, California. Again, another 2026 Cherokee Grey Wolf 27LH. Now, this is a unique floor plan, and there's not too many manufacturers that make this floor plan. It has a corner rear view windows. So that's mean whole back of this unit is rear living with an L-shaped lounge facing the TV and the fireplace. There's a kitchen slide with the entertainment center, island in the middle with a couple bar stools, and a nice RV King bed in the front. We have a drop frame. As you see, a lot of storage. You could put a lot of stuff, lounge chairs. We have electric stabilizer jacks where it used to be manual. On the 26 model, they put electric jacks on the front and the back. So you have four corners, electric jacks, as well the tongue. Nice big LED light with a blue LED light and power awning. They give you everything set up. The Cherokee Grey Wolf, the beauty about it, it's set up for your TV. They give you the TV bracket, outside speakers, cable hookup, all of that. Coming over here, you have entry assistant handle. So this is the model 27LH. It's unique. All the Cherokee Grey Wolf, if you notice in their windows, they are reflecting like a mirror. They provide you with a 200-watt solar panel on the roof, dog latch. They give you the rack for bike racks, electric bike, fire pits, ice chests, whatever you want to put in the back. They provide you already with the backup camera, come with it. And again, this is a Bluetooth on your cell phone, spare tire and a cover. This is, again, to show you, it is electric stabilizer jack, two in the front, two in the back. Cable hookup, big slide, that's where your kitchen counter with entertainment center. They give you light at night so you could see what you do at night when you hook up the sewage. Sandy flush, another stabilizer jack, outside shower, hot and cold, and it has the endless hot water heater. So these are the quick options of the new changes of 2026 Cherokee Grey Wolf. Unique floor plan, unique. When we walk inside, you will be surprised the amount of the light and the windows and the seating inside this unit. Let's go inside and show you everything on the 27LH. 27LH, me personally, I love this corner. This corner is still this unit. Look the amount of storage in the top. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doors, all full storage. But a lot of people, they love this one because it make a bed as well, give you nice social with your friends. So you sit 2 people here, another 2 people here. So you could sit 5 to 6 people, it depends on their size. But the beauty is you could sit here, relax. You have nice ottoman, watching the TV in the fireplace, or you could sit and have a nice cross conversations. You're not in the way of the kitchen. What I like about this one is the separation. Living area, kitchen, dining, bedroom. So you're not sitting, talking in the middle of your kitchen. You're separate a little bit on the side. And the new 26, you asked me what they did in 26. They start giving ottoman. Also, you could use it as a storage area or as a seating. So I could sit here and enjoy the conversation with my friends and family. So I could use it seated, I could use it as an ottoman. And by the way, this is a bed. I could make this as a bed. Also, you could take these cushions and you stretch right here. So beside the seating, it's also a bed, but a lot of people, they love this, is for the seating, for the social. You see people here, there, and there, or you could use it as an ottoman when you're watching TV. See, this has a lot of doors. So there's storage, doors, seating, bed, and also the beauty. Also, you need to say, I need pantry. Look how big this pantry. So you have a shelves where you put your coffee maker, toaster, espresso. You have multiple shelves. You could store Dyson vacuum. There's one 110 plug for Dyson vacuum if you need. So you got plenty storage here. Big pantries. And you could put your TV right there. Fireplace, mantle, and a fireplace. Now, again, why you don't put the TV, Niall, on this unit? I don't put the TV because the manufacturer, they asking so much money for that TV. And by the way, you could get a 32-inch TV, 40-inch TV for $100 from Walmart, Target, or Costco. This is the corner where is still the unit. Is the L-shaped lounge or L-shaped sofas with the storage doors and the ottoman, the nice TV and a fireplace and the big pantry, so you have no issue. Going to your kitchen, look how much this counter space is. Unbelievable of counter space. So you have all this is a counter space. You have all this one behind you here is a counter space. They already give you 110, so you can put your coffee maker, toasters, blenders, mixers, whatever you like. You have a nice air fryer inside this microwave. So this is a microwave, convection microwave air fryer. You have a nice 3-burner range here, as you notice, and a lot of storage. They don't waste nothing. A lot of storage. Tinsel doors, a lot of storage. As well, they still giving you the 11 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt. So you have 1 door for freezer, 1 door for fridge. Going over here, so you have a nice dinette. You could use this counter, seat somebody here, serve the food. So you tell them, where's my drink, where's my plate? So people could sit here, eat, and also people could sit there. So you have 1, 2, 6 there. So you could sit easy 8 people in this unit. Plenty counter space. They give you beautiful country sink, as you notice, with a cup, with cutting boards, and you could rinse your cups. It's a country, and also there's more storage here. There's a place for trash can. If you come down this way, you will see a place for trash can. I'm sitting on this counter and I'm enjoying the trailers. I mean, you guys, you should see this unit, how beautiful. Because I'm sitting here, and if I raise this window, if the cameraman raised this window, you could see I have multiple windows. So I have this window facing me, you have this window right there, there's one window in the back, there's one window behind me. So you could see how bright this unit. Now you're seeing trailers, but imagine if this park next to the river or oceans. So you could see how beautiful the view you're gonna get. Now, going through here, you have a really nice hallway going to the bedroom. Now we're gonna say again and again, this is a RV King bed. They give you deeper closet for the 26. It's a prep for second TV here for the bedroom. You have another big storage right here on the sides. And then you have another big closet here, hanging closet. See it? Also, they give you these pins for socks and underwears. Plus, they still giving you the storage underneath for another bins for socks, underwears, whatever you want to store, blankets, sheets. They still giving you also the inverter. You could use this for your breathing machine. You could put it here, plug it in, and do all of that. Or you could use the shelf here when you go to bed, have your laptop and iPad. Going to the bathroom. Nice solid medicine cabinet. Big sink with both sides. Place for your toilet and knees. And a big showers with a shower enclosure. So you have elbow room for that. It's a perfect unit for a family or pop and mom. They like to take their nice view trailers. We make it so affordable. We have a price again and again. I'm gonna say it and try every day. I say to all my customers, we give you a price no one in the state of California could match. Also, we have no any hidden fees. We make this unit ready for you. We provide you the free get ready package. You take it straight here, ready to camp at no cost to you. Come to Best RV and grab the 27 LH.